I've been practicing ENT now for 40 years, not for 30, but 40 years. But this is certainly a milestone in our lives. We are very fortunate that this entity came into existence in ENT and is making a difference in somebody's life. Look at somebody who's actually born deaf and dumb. What is the future for that child? Nothing whatsoever. They will be separated out of community. They will never be accepted by community. They cannot do anything independently. They will be moving in traffic with the risk of being banged from behind because they can't hear the horns. They can't hear anything. They can't go to normal school. They will be totally dependent on sign language. And giving cochlear implant and giving back a life is not only changing the child's life but also making an impact, which I think sir has already mentioned about the family, the whole family's concept. Their trauma is taken care of, and it's certainly an experience. And that is the reason we are so keen on taking this program, and we are so grateful that you are all here to share that.
फिर मैं उसको दिल्ली ले गया। दिल्ली में बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल में दिखाया था। फिर एनएच के हॉस्पिटल में दिखाया। उधर डॉक्टर ने सजेस्ट किया कि डॉक्टर संजय साहब आपके पास आने के लिए। फिर डॉक्टर साहब रिपोर्ट दिखाया। दिखाने के बाद उन्होंने बोला कि दोनों कान में प्रोफाउंड लॉस है, उसको कॉकलेयर इम्प्लांट करना है। तो फिर दिसंबर 7 तारीख को उसको कॉकलेयर इम्प्लांट कराया। आज उसका 6 से 7 महीने कंप्लीट हो गया। स्कूल में भी जा रहा है और उसमें हिंदी भी पढ़ना आता है, अभी इंग्लिश भी पढ़ता है और कोई भी वर्ड या सेंटेंस देके बोल भी देता है।